Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm doing a tour review of Armadrillo. Okay, so let's go over the box. Box shows Armadrillo right there, Disc Alien, and then Nanomech, Water Hazard, and the rest of the line, Disc Alien, Awesome Matrix. So let's go ahead and open up Armadrillo, and we can get the review started. Okay, take out the Disc Alien. Take out Armadrillo. Ooh, awesome. Second Disc Alien. Like always, the Disc Alien pops up and shows an image of the figure. That's pretty good. And his hands rotate clockwise in 360 degrees. His head does not. His tail will rotate clockwise. I'll let you see it. Sorry if my hand's covering it. And his legs do bend and unbend. So he's going to be in season 5 and season 4. And he has a little Omnitrix symbol, which I like. But yeah. So yeah. Let me just find my, here he is. Found my Water Hazard. So now I have 2 Ultimate Alien figures without the 2-packs. And they look pretty awesome. Tell me, what do you think of my review? I'll look for the Disc Alien. Disc Alien. And then once I find it, just now found it. Now I have Armadrillo and Water Hazards, Disc Aliens, and they're pretty awesome. So yeah, what did you think of my review, guys? Please put comments in the comment section. My next review will be on Ultimate Humongousaur. Peace.